Kickstart your career in manufacturing with this exciting Earn As You Learn opportunity. Register your interest now for this New Zealand Certificate in Manufacturing Level 3 course beginning in February 2026. Gain valuable experience with top Waikato manufacturers while earning your qualification in this diverse and growing sector. You'll be supported along the way with mentorship from both educators and industry professionals. On this course, you'll receive excellent training and education from Wintec tutors, with course content that has been developed with real employers and designed to meet industry standards, ensuring you're gaining relevant and in-demand skills. Throughout this course, you'll be given the tools to enhance your skills, build professional networks, and open the door to endless career opportunities within manufacturing and beyond.
This course has really allowed me to make direct connections with employers and the businesses. I got real good insight on how a workplace operates.
You'll be part of a dynamic team, working towards a purpose and striving to create change. Your creativity, problem solving, and teamwork abilities will thrive in this industry, where your input is highly valued.
I've really enjoyed productivity improvement and the business side of work placements, as I feel like I've been listened to and my ideas have been taken on board well. That's been awesome.
This is an integrated learning course where you'll spend 2 days a week at Wintec and 3 days on work placement. Combining classroom instruction with practical, hands-on experience, this unique opportunity partners with some of the Waikato's leading manufacturing businesses. If you are looking for a fulfilling career in manufacturing, this practical and financially sustainable pathway can make it happen.
I found that I was ready to move towards the workforce to get hands-on experience. This course gave me a feel for what I actually wanted to do.
We want to hear from you if you're reliable, punctual, willing to learn, and motivated to succeed. Places are limited. Take the first step towards a rewarding career in manufacturing, and don't miss this unique opportunity to earn, learn, and grow.
I really enjoyed seeing inside the different businesses. I got to see different workplace cultures and develop my communication skills. When I found out about this course, I was ready to leave school. I wanted to get some work experience, learn some new skills, and get a bit of money for myself. I enjoyed learning about fabrication. I haven't done much welding before, but this is a highlight for me.
We'll be hosting an information session on Saturday, the 13th of September at APL Hautapu. You're invited to come along and see the world of manufacturing firsthand, meet the employers, and hear more about this exciting opportunity. RSVP online today. Kickstart your career in manufacturing and register your interest now at weka.org.nz/register.